Good morning, this is Michael Zippity Dude over at Russ, Darrow, Kia Wauwatosa, where I have a wind edition of the new 2022 Kia EV6. This is all electric, folks. So yes, in the front here, we got a little frunk in here. That's a front trunk, okay? I don't use it on mine, I'll be honest with you, I think it's a little crazy. You notice it comes alive when I get near it because I have the keys in my pocket. You pop open the door handles here, it looks a little bit like a Tesla, doesn't it? A little bit. What I can tell you is, I've been driving this car now for a month, and you know how many times I had to fill up at the gas station? 0. All right? What I like about this car is, it has the new, I call it the 3/4 dash touchscreen. So when you're driving this car, you have your navigation, you got all kinds of augmented reality stuff in here for the highway drive assist. You can do all your Apple Android CarPlay over here. What I like about this is as a context-based menu, you can have your heating and cooling or your map and your radio functions. And then down over here on my GT line edition, these are all touch for the heating and cooling, but on this, they're buttons on the wind edition, all right? This car is literally amazing. I've driven a bunch of the different Teslas, and what I would say is Tesla is probably, Kia's not gonna like this, but I think Tesla's software is advanced and the car's a little more refined. But that's $20,000 or $30,000 more than this car. So put it into perspective. It's all about price per value, right? Like this car, what I also like about it, it's got a little hidden compartment back here. So like when I'm going to the gym or something, I might put different things down in here. Or I bought a charging cable, 110 charging cable I put back here that I got at Napa.com. That's a plug, Napa.com, $149 for a 110 cable that I can plug in any outlet. So if I drive to the lake and I'm gonna be there for the day, I can plug in on any outlet like this, like you have in every house, right? Also, when you drop these seats, you can put a big screen TV in here. You can literally haul anything. So I gotta be honest with you, I've had a lot of Kias, I've driven a lot of Kias. I gave up my Stinger for one of the newer Sportages I was driving, and now I'm driving the EV6, and I'm in love with this car. I rarely ever say that, but they did a great job. They hit the ball out of the park on this one. The back end of this car is amazing. The front end of this car, amazing. It's like you're driving something out of the Cars cartoon movie. That's the way I look at it. And I'm never buying gas, and I used to plug it in every night. I wired a 240 in my garage. I used to plug it every night, and then I'm like, why am I plugging it every night? What, am I crazy? I didn't gas my car up every night, so why am I plugging it? So there's some things that happen once you start driving an EV. But I would say range anxiety, I have 0 range anxiety now after about a month. And I don't even think about how much the car's charged. I haven't charged it in 3 days I'm driving right now. So check it out. Come see anyone over here at Russ, Darrow, Kia Wauwatosa, and check out the new EV6. Drive it, because there's a lot of people saying, I'll never drive an electric car. You're saying that because you never drove one. Once you drive this car, you'll never talk about driving an electric car again. And I don't want you people to be the ones standing there with your horse throwing rocks at the cars driving by. I'll never drive one of those cars. Yes, you will, okay? I would bet within 5 years, 7 years, half the cars on the road will be all electric. And you heard that here first. Russ, Darrow, Kia Wauwatosa, Michael Zippity Duda, out.